Hi guys, it's Ben here, and I know I just uploaded a short on the Eskimo, running the Eskimo, but a second ago I ran the Eskimo, not like maybe a minute ago, I ran the Eskimo, and the startup sound, there was like no buzzing. I don't know what happened, because it went to buzzing kind of loudly, and then boom, no buzzing. So, there was buzzing, but it was super quiet, so hopefully it's still like that, guys. I was waiting for the air conditioning to turn off, because I wanted to do a startup number 2, so I can get a better startup sound, so hopefully it's the same. Here we go. All right, let's do low. Okay, so now let's do low. Here we go. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, now I'll get one right up against the motor. Okay, I wanted to get one right up against the motor. So if I can get the thing to focus on the shaft, I really want to get it to focus on the shaft. All right, here we go. Yep. All right, let's go to the front. That was weird. I think maybe when it's like warmed up, it gets louder. So I don't know, cause that's weird. Now, if you guys watched my short that I just uploaded, you'll hear me talking about how I think it's laminations. So what do you think? I kind of feel like it's laminations. Thankfully, I will be getting some varnish here soon. And so that should be good. Anyways, here's hi. Dude. So now we're gonna know kind of what the Eskimo is gonna sound like after I. Well, guys, if it's lamination, do you think the varnish will hold it down? I think so, because I've seen people do varnishing. I've seen people do epoxying, but I think I'm just gonna do varnishing. It just depends on how loose the laminations are, I think. But I think all I have to do is just varnish them. Let's do it again, because that was just awesome. Hello? Very nice low speed. All right, so here's low. Do that again, because that was very nice. Let's do that again. All right, let's do that again. Oops. Here we go. So I think on low, once I varnish it, it's just going to sound like that, but without the noise. That's why I think it's laminations, because it feels like the windings you'd hear. You know? Very nice. Fan here. 2 amps. $20124 Eskimo. Listen. Oh, a little too far out. There we go. I think I will do one more on high. Who knows? The stop sign might have changed. Let's see. Yep, there's a little bit of buzzing. But, yeah, anyways. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Bye.